Have you ever wondered why some people can become super rich and others cannot afford to survive? Wonder if there's some magic formula to becoming rich that you're missing? Well, in this video, I share things rich people do that poor people do not. It often makes the difference between financial success and financial distress. Number 1. The rich believe in the law of income. The rich believe that they will be paid in direct proportion to the value that they deliver to the marketplace. In other words, if they are integral in forming a product that nearly everyone in the world wants or needs, then they should be compensated accordingly. Rich people realize that output is the only metric that counts, since we live in a result-oriented world. The poor, on the other hand, believe that they must be paid for the amount of time that they put into something. Well, hard work is one of the ingredients for success, but more input doesn't necessarily mean more output. This can be a sign of inefficiency when value-added results are not consistently produced. Hence, poor people often miss the point by solely focusing on inputs instead of outputs. Number 2. The rich are voracious readers. Wealthy individuals live by the motto, the more you learn, the more you earn, and this is achieved by reading. Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor, was asked about the key to success. He just pointed to his stack of books and said, "Read 500 pages like this every day. That's how knowledge works. It builds up like compound interest. All of you can do it, but I guarantee not many of you will do it." Warren Buffett is not alone in the club of enthusiastic book readers. Mark Cuban, former owner of Dallas Mavericks, devotes 3 hours a day to reading. Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, reads 50 books a year, nearly 1 book a week, and Elon Musk, the maker of Tesla, is an avid reader who says he learned to build rockets by reading textbooks. As for the poor, only 1 in 50 admit to employing self-improvement reading habits daily, and as a result, lack the knowledge to make decisions that will lead them to financial prosperity. Number 3. The rich focus on opportunities, not obstacles. There was once a shoe salesman who found himself in a faraway country trying to sell shoes to the natives. But there was one problem. Nobody wears shoes there and selling was often very difficult. The salesman soon gave up in frustration and decided to leave the area. On his way out, he met another shoe salesman. "Don't bother entering this town." The first salesman said, "These people don't even wear shoes." The second salesman's eyes grew wide and said, "No one has shoes? Then I could sell a pair to everyone in town." How fortunate we are dissembled upon an untapped market. You see, it's all a matter of perspective. The poor see obstacles and quickly give up, while the rich see opportunities. Before moving to the next point, if you want to learn more about how to build wealth and avoid common financial pitfalls, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we drop the new content to help you on your financial journey. Number 4. The rich associate with positive, successful people. As the saying goes, you're the average of the 5 people you spend most of your time with, and rich people know that it is your social circle that drives success. That's why individuals spend time with others who enjoy talking about success, opportunities, and the good things in life. By doing so, these successful people are most likely to maximize their perception of the world since they are within a good group. On the other hand, poor people do not even try to put themselves in a position where they will be surrounded by people who will enable them to grow into more successful versions of themselves. Instead, they would prefer to be ruined by bad influences in the end and waste every opportunity that they might have to improve their financial position. Number 5. The rich grow bigger than their problems. Poor people look at problems and see obstacles. Rather than trying to figure out a way around the tough times, these individuals simply give in to the challenge and revert to their status quo. Rich people, by contrast, love challenges. They know there is a value in creating solutions to problems, and that's the core of many financial success stories. Number 6. The rich focus on net worth, not working income. Poor people refer to an hourly wage, while rich people understand that hourly income is not as important as the person's net worth. A person can make a good amount per hour, but if he doesn't know how to keep it, then he will still be poor. The rich person knows that a large net worth will net many opportunities and will create more wealth in the future. Number 7. The rich are dollar smart. Penny smart, dollar stupid. Many poor people practice this. This phrase basically means that some individuals are very finicky with how they spend small amounts of money, like when buying a cup of coffee, but do not make wise decisions with large sums of cash, like investing in self-improvement and education. The wealthy, on the other hand, do both. Make frugal penny decisions and invest large sums into conferences, paid mentorship, and other activities that will foster continual improvement and financial success. Number 8. The rich network and volunteer regularly. The wealthy know their relationships are cool. It doesn't matter if they're making friends, finding new customers, or meeting interesting people. This often comes through activities related to community involvement. Almost 3/4 of wealthy people network and volunteer a minimum of 5 hours a month. Among those struggling financially, only 1 in 10 does this, causing them to miss out on new connections and, as importantly, many new opportunities for financial prosperity. So, these 8 things are just some of the things that set apart the rich from the poor, and by utilizing the rich person's habit, you'll be so much more prepared to become wealthy yourself. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By the way, if you find this content useful, be sure to check out our Master Your Money Mindset playlist for more videos like this. In the end, thanks for watching and see you soon.